clubhouse.
Peppa and her friends are at the playground today. Peppa and Susie Sheep are swinging on the monkey bars.
I'm the cheeky monkey. Me too.
This is such a great playground.
Yes, the children love it. Once they start playing, they never want to stop.
Stop!
Here is Mr. Bull.
Stand back, everyone!
Mr. Bull, what are you doing?
I'm digging up the playground
Why are you digging up the playground?
so I can make a hole for the concrete.
Where do you want the concrete, boss?
In the hole.
A truck full of concrete is reversing across the playground.
Excuse me, Mr. Bull. I think there's been some kind of mistake. We don't want the playground dug up.
The playground is perfect as it is.
With you in a moment. Just need to get the concrete done.
Concrete starts off soft.
Soft, soft, hard. Moo.
And then concrete sets as hard as rock.
OK, sorry about the wait. What exactly were you all asking?
What are you doing?
I've made a concrete base
But why?
to put this clubhouse on.
A crane is carrying a little house across the playground.
If you don't want it, I can take it away again.
We want it!
Actually, that does look quite good.
It's got a slide and a swing and all kinds of other fancy stuff.
Hooray!
Let me show you around. This is the front door.
It looks a bit small, Mr. Bull.
That's because it's not for grown-ups, Daddy Pig. It's for children.
Peppa and her friends are inside the clubhouse.
Wow! Everything is children's size.
Yes, the clubhouse is not too big and not too small, but just right for children.
There's a toy cooker.
The toy cooker is made of wood and has a light that comes on inside.
And a toy fridge. It's got plastic cheese inside. There's a telephone. Does it work?
Well, it's a toy telephone made out of wood, but you can pretend it works.
Ring, 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 ring.
Aren't you going to answer that?
Ring, ring. Hello, Peppa Pig speaking. Who is this?
Who is it?
It is the King of the World. Thank you. Yes, I am busy right now. Goodbye.
Peppa loves the wooden telephone. Mr. Bull has opened the clubhouse window.
This is the hatch with a counter.
Ooh. It's like a little shop or a cafe. What do you want from our cafe today, Mr. Bull?
What have you got?
We have pretend coffee or pretend tea.
OK, pretend tea, please.
There you go. Have a nice day.
That hit the spot.
Mr. Bull likes pretend tea.
Can we see the rest of the clubhouse now?
Of course. Please go up the ramp to the next floor. This is the balcony.
Now we're as tall as the grown-ups.
Yes. And off the end of that balcony is the slide.
Peppa and her friends love the slide.
Thank you, Mr. Bull.
You have done a very good job.
I must admit, it is quite good.
3 cheers for Mr. Bull. Hip, hip.
Hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, 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 hooray!
Ooh, you are most welcome.
Ooh, it looks lovely and cosy. Can I go inside?
No, Mummy. Grown-ups are not allowed.
But could us grown-ups just have a quick look inside?
No, Daddy.
Why not?
Because the clubhouse is for children.
Peppa loves the clubhouse. All the children love the clubhouse.
The clubhouse.
Peppa and her friends are at the playground today. Peppa and Susie Sheep are swinging on the monkey bars.
I'm the cheeky monkey. Me too.
This is such a great playground.
Yes, the children love it. Once they start playing, they never want to stop.
Stop!
Here is Mr. Bull.
Stand back, everyone!
Mr. Bull! I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Holiday on the sea.
Peppa and George are on a cruise ship holiday with Granny and Grandpa Pig.
We're on a big boat on the sea.
There are so many things to do on this boat.
What do we do first, Granny?
I think we should have breakfast.
Ah, but would that be a mermaid breakfast or a dinosaur breakfast?
Dinosaur! Grrr.
This is the Dinosaur Cafe.
Morning. Would you like some dinosaur breakfast eggs?
Dinosaur breakfast eggs have spots on them.
Wow!
Ahoy there, sailors! My name is Pirate Pete, and this is Mrs. Mermaid.
Please come to our fancy dress show tonight.
We'll all have lots of fun.
Oh, yes. We should go to the show tonight.
But before that, what would you like to do? Trampolines? Splash pools? Mini golf?
No, no, no!
Why not just try them? Everything on this cruise ship is free.
Is it really?
Yes, except the ride-on potato.
George wants to do the ride-on potato.
Potato!
Good. You stay here with George. Peppa and I will find something else to do.
Trampolines! Yippee!
Here is Rohan Rhino.
Hello, Peppa. Hello, Rohan. Do you want to play in the mermaid splash pool? Yes, let's go. Granny!
Oh, have you finished bouncing already?
Oh.
Maybe that's enough potato for one day, George.
Tato! Tato!
Oh.
This is the mermaid splash pool.
This is fun!
That's it, George. I have no more coins left.
Oh.
Hello, boys. We need to get ready for the show.
It is showtime on the cruise ship. Everyone has dressed up to watch.
Ooh.
Good evening, boys and girls. I'm Pirate Pete. I sailed around the seas, and treasure was my wish. But nothing did I find there except a great big fish.
Oi, I'm a mermaid, not a fish.
Do you want to come look for treasure?
I don't need to. I've got a magic box. Ooh. It will give you whatever you wish for. Just say the magic word.
Which is?
Oh, I've forgotten. Sorry, memory like a fish.
Who knows a magic word?
Abracadabra!
What? A candelabra? No, it's not working. Mrs. Mermaid, can you check the box is not broken? Oh, abracadabra! Look at that! Chocolate coins for everyone! But wait! My new friend Mrs. Mermaid has gone! Who can help me magic her back?
Me! I can help you!
Aha! Come up on stage! What's your name?
I'm Peppa Pig!
So, Peppa Pig, what do we do to get Mrs. Mermaid back?
Say the magic word! Abracadabra!
Ta-da! And that
That is the end of the show.
Good night, everyone.
Oh, that was a wonderful day.
I can't think how it could be any more special. Ah! What was that?
It's a whale! Wow! She's saying night-night.
It is bedtime on the holiday cruise ship. Tomorrow will be another day.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Monkey has a cough.
It is a lovely sunny day at Peppa's house.
I'm a tiny little fairy.
What a noisy little fairy.
Mummy, I'm going to magic you into a frog.
Oh dear, please don't. If you turn me into a frog, I'll have to live in a pond on my own and I will be so sad.
Don't worry, Mummy. It's just pretend.
I know, Peppa. I'm pretending too. That's why I winked.
What?
When someone closes one eye, it is a wink, and it means that they are pretending.
So, you were pretending to be sad?
Yes, it was a joke.
Ah, so you were trying to make a joke. It wasn't a very funny joke.
Thank you, Peppa.
Zoe Zebra has come to play with Peppa.
Hello, Zoe. Hello, Peppa.
Zoe has her toy monkey.
Monkey says, ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's play in my bedroom. Ooh, 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 ooh. How are you today, Monkey? Oh, dear. Monkey has a bad cough. That's not Monkey coughing. That's you. No, Monkey has a bad cough. Why are you closing and opening your eyes? I am closing one eye because I'm winking. Why? You wink to tell people it's pretend. And Monkey has a cough. Oh, it's a game.
Here is George.
So, Dr. George, Monkey has a bad cough. Dr. George, what cure do you suggest for the cough? It's just pretend, George. That's why we are winking. Daddy Buzz! Good advice, Dr. George. Monkey must go to bed and not watch any TV. No fun for Monkey until he is better. Thank you, Dr. George.
Daddy Pig has arrived home from work.
I'm home.
Hello, Daddy Pig.
Daddy! Monkey had a cough. Dr. George told us to put Monkey to bed with no TV. And now Monkey is better.
Is there something wrong with your eyes?
No, Daddy. We are winking.
Oh?
It's just pretend.
Oh, I see. That is clever. And you learned how to wink today, did you?
Yes.
Well, I learned something new today, too. I learned how to talk like a pirate. Ha-ha! Jim lad, shiver me timbers. Arr!
Why did you learn to talk like a pirate?
Well, you see, I've given up my old job, and I've got a new job as a pirate.
Daddy Pig, shouldn't we have discussed this first?
Daddy is just joking, Mummy.
Shiver me timbers.
Oh, Daddy Pig.
Oh, it's nothing. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that pirate voice.
Are you pretending, Daddy?
No, Peppa. I think this is a real cough.
Betty Buzz! Yes, Dr. George says straight to bed. And no TV for 10 years.
Oh, dear. That doesn't sound fun.
I know a nicer way to cure a cough.
Oh?
You have to wiggle your ears, jump up and down, and quack like a duck. Quack, 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 quack.
What?
You winked, Mummy.
Oh, you're just joking.
Mummy Pig loves joking. Everyone loves joking.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Police car.
Peppa and her friends are at playgroup.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Madam Gazelle.
Today, as a special treat, some of you are going to spend a day with the police.
As a prisoner?
No, Freddy. As a guest.
They will join us as we drive around in our police car helping people.
Who would like to go?
Me.
Okay, Peppa and Freddy.
This is the police car.
Have fun. I will call you when it is the children's lunchtime.
Right you are, Madam Gazelle. See you later.
Don't be late. We are having sandwiches and jelly.
Sandwiches and jelly, eh?
Delicious.
The police like sandwiches and jelly.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Nino, Nino, Nino. Can we use the siren, please?
I'm afraid not, Freddy.
The siren is to be used only for emergencies.
What's going on here?
Oh dear, there is a traffic jam.
We need to get past all these cars to see what the problem is.
Can we use the siren now?
Yes, this is just the sort of emergency the siren is for.
Hooray! Look!
It is Mr. Stallion. His car has broken down.
The police! Thank goodness you're here!
What seems to be the trouble?
My car is broken!
Don't worry, Mr. Stallion. We'll sort this out.
Thank you!
No need to thank us. We're just doing our job.
Car parked in middle of road and obstructing traffic.
Now we simply move the car out of the way.
There.
And the traffic can move again. Emergency over.
Bye-bye, Mr. Stallion.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
So you see, children, our day is full of emergencies like that.
We never know what will come next.
Calling all police. Calling all police.
Who's that?
It's the police station.
Receiving you loud and clear. Over.
Emergency! Cat stuck up a tree.
Another emergency.
Can we use the siren again?
Of course, Freddy. We've got a cat to rescue.
Hello, hello, hello. What's going on here then?
It's Mr. Cat.
Meow! Mr. Cat is stuck in the tree.
What are you doing up there?
I climbed up.
Why?
It seemed like a good idea at the time.
And now you're stuck?
Yes,
It's a good thing we're around to help, isn't it?
yes.
I'll get the ladder.
Don't worry, Mr. Cat. We'll get you down.
Emergency over.
Hooray!
Sorry, the tree looked like it would be good fun to climb.
Yes, it's not a good idea to have a tree here. Dangerous tree in wrong place.
So, children, have you enjoyed your day with the police?
It's been brilliant! I want to be a policeman when I grow up.
Good lad.
Calling the police. Over.
Another emergency? How exciting!
Police Officer Panda, receiving you loud and clear. Over.
This is Madame Gazelle. Peppa and Freddy are late for their lunch. Remember, it is sandwiches and jelly. Over.
Late for sandwiches and jelly?
Now that's what I call a real emergency.
So, can we
Use the siren? Of course. It's what the siren was built for.
Hooray!
Peppa and Freddy love the police car. Everyone loves the police car.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Hello, don't you want your food? It's getting cold on the table. It'll get taken away when everyone finishes. That's okay, if you don't want it, I came to call you also.